The first step is to open your Canva doc, and click in the design to make the magic plus sign appear. Click the plus sign. Click Magic Write. If this is the first time you're trying Magic Write, you'll need to click Try It Out. Type in the Magic Write text field, and press Enter. Canva cautions you to proofread your writing. We'll try adding an image now. Click in the design to make the magic plus sign appear. Scroll down, and click Design. Scroll, and click to choose a design for your doc. The design opens in its design editor. To insert the design into your doc, click Save. To edit the design, click on the design to select it. With the design selected, click Edit Design. Click Edit Image. Scroll down, and click to choose an edit to your design. Click Save. You've now tried Magic Write, and you've edited a design in your Canva doc. That's it. You're done.